Hi, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker with offices located in Vienna, West Virginia, and in Marietta, Ohio. I've been doing a series of videos all about when you're buying a home, what are the things that you need to think about that sometimes you wouldn't think about, like the strength of the internet, Amazon deliveries, what is the noise factor from maybe from an airplanes or roads, or it could be a cut through with a lot of traffic in the evening when people are coming home from work, and things like that. And today we want to talk about another thing when you think about buying a home. One of the things that you need to consider is how much time it's going to take to maintain the home. Now, what does that maintenance require? Well, you have to think in terms of, well, how big's the lawn? How much is the lawn going to take to cut that and maintain it? And if there's a lot of leaves, well, that's some other works that's going to be needed in the fall when you have to dispose of those leaves and keep the gutters clean and so forth. But there's some hidden maintenance that is associated with the house that you don't think about. For example, if the house has a hot water heater and it's an on-demand hot water heater, that on-demand hot water heater has to be flushed out and maybe descaled if you have really hard water once every 6 months. If it's softer water, you can do that once a year, but it's a maintenance that you have to do to preserve and keep the hot water running in the way you want to. And if you have just a standard regular hot water tank and you have soft water, there's an anode rod that runs down through the tank that is removed from the top of the tank and replaced. And if it's soft water, you have to replace it once a year. I didn't know that, and I put a new hot water tank in a short time, 3 years, it began to leak. And so then I discovered that there was a maintenance that was required, and that is replacing the anode rod. Do you know that you need to clean the washing machine tub once a month? And that's simple. Put it on a clean cycle. These new high efficient ones, add some bleach. But if you don't do that, you're going to have problems. One thing everybody forgets is to clean the dryer vent, and that could keep from preventing a fire. So that's important, and not just the lint trap, but the entire vent that goes to the outside. They sell kits on the internet that you can put together in little pieces and push through to get it clean. There's other things too, like if you buy a house that has a sprinkler system, you know that you're going to have to blow it out in the as winter approaches so that it doesn't freeze, and then you're going to have to get it started again when spring comes. Um, in the bathroom, there's exhaust fans; they need cleaned regular, and also when winter comes, you have to remember if you have a hose bib out there, you got to take that hose bib off so that water doesn't sit there. It can drain out, and you don't want to freeze any of your water pipes. There's just all kinds of different things that you have to do. One thing everybody seems to not even know about is that there's a filter on the dishwasher that needs to be cleaned about once a month. When you open that dishwasher and that odor hits you, yeah, you kind of thinking about that. Well, what's that? And it's not just the dishes. There's a drain down there that catches food particles and needs to be cleaned once in a while. So, if you have any more questions about home maintenance, just give me a call. If you're thinking of buying or selling, give me a call. We'll talk about what's out there and how I can help you. Hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.